Hello everyone, welcome to JoyFluent English. My name is Jyoti and today I will teach you how to learn English step by step at home. Even if you are a completed beginner, let's begin. Step 1. Start with daily simple sentences. Begin with 5 easy sentences and use them daily. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Can you help me? Where is the bathroom? Practice each sentences 5 times every day. Step 2. Learn vocabulary by thems. Choose one them daily like home, food, office, travel. Learn 10 new words from them. Example food, rice, tea, milk, apple, bread, sugar, salt, water, juice, coffee. Make one simple sentences with each word. Step 3. Read for 10 minutes. Read simple English story or news. Underline new words and learn 2-3 daily. Try shadow reading. Listen and read at the same time. Step 4. Listen and repeat. Watch short English videos with subtitles. Pause, repeat and copy the same pronunciation. Record your voice and compare. Step 5. Speak daily small conversation. Practice short dialogues like Hello, I am Jyoti. What is your name? I am Rahul. Nice to meet you. Do 5 minutes English only speaking practice daily. Step 6. Write 3-4 lines daily. Write a small diary. Example Today I wake up at 7. I had tea. I practice English. Follow simple structure. Subject plus verb plus object. Step 7. Pronunciation practice. Common sound practice. V, W, S, SH, T, TS. Examples very well. Where are you? Seashells. Repeat 3 times each. 7. Day practice plan. Day 1. 5 sentences plus 10 vocabulary. Day 2. Reading plus pronunciation. Day 3. Listening plus repeat. Day 4. Writing practice. Day 5. Speaking practice. Day 6. Record your voice. Day 7. Review everything. Practice every day for 10-15 minutes. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you learn. You will see improvement in 1 week. I hope you liked today's lesson. I am Jyoti from JoyFluent English. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye.